Welcome children, take out the history book. Chapter 1, Transition to Modern Era. Today I am going to give you the answers of the exercises and question answers of this chapter. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. Number 1, primary sources include official records, buildings, artifacts, coins, etc. Number 2, growth of democratic institutions, industrialization and urbanization are all features of the modern period. Number 3, Italy became the main center of the Renaissance as many Greek scholars took shelter in it after the capture of Constantinople by the Ottoman Turks. Number 4. People became aware of their power to reason and they questioned the existing ideas and beliefs of the church. Number 5. The spirit of inquiry and the need to question brought about a change of thinking among the masses. Exercise C. Match the column. Number 1. Johannes Gutenberg invented the printing press. Renaissance. Rebirth. Number 3. Humanist believed that human life was important. Number 4. Galileo Galilei. Astronomer. Michelangelo. Lifelike structure. Now let me give you the question answers of this chapter. Question 1. What are primary sources? Primary sources are first-hand records that include official records, buildings, artifacts, photographs, coins, autobiographies, newspapers, maps, diaries, letters and documents. Question 2. What do you understand by humanism? Answer. Humanism refers to Renaissance thinkers who believed in the importance of human and shifted the focus from godly affairs to human affairs. Number 3. Name 2 great artists and sculptures of the Renaissance period. Answer. The 2 great artists and sculptures of the Renaissance period were Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. Number 4. Who was Martin Luther? Answer. Martin Luther was a German monk who went against the corrupt practices of the Roman Catholic Church in Germany and also went against the sale of indulgences. He was also a professor of theology at the University of Wittenberg. Number 5. Why did European countries compete to find alternative routes to Asia? Answer. Asian spices and textiles were so valuable to the Europeans that trade with Asia was extremely profitable for the Europeans. The fall of Constantinople to the Ottoman Turks closed the land routes between Europe and Asia, and so the European countries had to find alternative routes to Asia. Number 6. What role did the discovery of gunpowder play in getting rid of feudalism? Answer. The discovery of gunpowder removed all the ancient weapons from the society and broke the hold of the feudal laws on the peasants and the common people. This led to the rise of modern nation state. Question 7. What are some of the hallmarks of the modern age? Answer. Some of the hallmarks of the modern age were: Number 1. Growth of democratic institutions. Number 2. Industrialization. Number 3. Urbanization, trade and colonization. Number 4. Growth of scientific temper. Number 5. Questioning established religious traditions. Number 6. Rationalism. Number 7. Humanism. Question 8. What was one of the main reasons for the development of scientific spirit of inquiry? Answer. The discovery made by astronomers were a direct challenge to the church authorities, and these discoveries challenged the traditional beliefs which shook the foundation of the society and inculcated a modern outlook. Question 9. What were the important features of the Renaissance? Answer. The important features of the Renaissance were: Number 1. The rise of literacy, emergence of the great universities, spread of knowledge and the invention of printing press. Question 10. What was the effect of the print revolution on the masses? Answer. The print revolution brought a major impact on the society. The invention of the printing press made books available to masses which were not accessible to masses beforehand, as were handwritten and too expensive. This availability of books increased the desire for knowledge. Question 11. Why were voyages were an important step towards the beginning of the modern period? Answer. Towards the beginning of the modern period, voyages became an important step as the rulers and traders encouraged the sailors to go beyond the European coastline to discover new lands, and this enabled the European countries to know more about the lands in the Far East and their rich natural resources, and this made the European countries to establish their colonies overseas. Question 12. What was the impact of Reformation? Answer. The impact of Reformation are: number 1. It had a lasting impact on Europe and affected the social, religious and political fields. Number 2. The king of the government began to rule the state. Number 3. It carried forward the spirit of scientific inquiry. Number 4. It brought the true meaning of individual liberty. Number 5. It asserted the sovereignty and independence of a nation. Now write all these question answers and exercises in your history copy. Write the diary. Chapter 1. The chapter 1, transition to modern era. All exercises and question answers completed in class. Homework, learn it. And with this, I am ending my today's class. Good